The 2025 Kia Carens has undergone some updates that enhance its appeal in the competitive MPV segment. The exterior design remains stylish with smooth lines, a bold front grille, and contemporary elements that make it stand out. The sleek new LED headlamps and rear lights further refine the modern look. Inside, the Carens offers a spacious and comfortable cabin, providing plenty of room for both passengers and luggage. The dashboard features a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, improving connectivity. Premium materials are used throughout the interior, giving it an upscale feel. A range of seating configurations and practical storage spaces are available, ensuring versatility for families or road trips. The Carens is powered by a range of engines, including petrol and diesel options, with performance being adequate for daily driving. While not the most powerful in its class, it delivers a smooth and comfortable ride, making it well suited for long drives. The fuel efficiency is impressive, and the suspension is tuned to provide a balanced and composed driving experience. On the safety front, the Carens is well equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, such as lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. These features help ensure peace of mind during travels, making it a reliable choice for families. Overall, the 2025 Kia Carens is a solid option for those seeking a spacious, tech-packed, and reliable MPV, with a design and feature set that appeals to modern drivers looking for comfort and practicality.